You're not weak. You're just using your wrist wraps in a wrong way. Isa rin ako dati sa naguluhan kung paano ba talaga gamitin tong wrist wraps. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam, ang purpose ni wrist wraps is to support and stabilize the wrist joint. Especially, ginagamit to on pushing movements. So, ganito ko siya i-utilize ngayon. First is find the loop thumb para ma-secure natin yung initial placement. Tandaan, loop thumb is just a guide, hindi para isuot buong set. Then, wrap mo lang above or center of the wrist joint, hindi sa kamay. Dapat, half ng wrap is nako-cover niya pati below wrist joint mo. Because the goal here is i-lock yung wrist natin in neutral position. After mo i-wrap, make sure na i-check mo yung angle. Huwag mong gawing parang bracelet lang yung wraps, walang silbi yun. Dapat may pressure na nagtutulok sa wrist para manatiling straight and stable. Second is keep it tight, especially if ready ka na to do a set. But make sure na yung tightness niya is hindi naka-cut off yung blood flow. Siyempre, wag naman yung sobrang higpit na wala ka nang mararamdaman. And last is maintain neutral wrist during activity. Kasi kahit naka-wrist straps ka na, ikaw pa rin yung magko-control. Huwag tayo masanay mag-rely because this is just a tool to help us maximize the effort we can give. Bonus tip na lang rin. Make sure na you don't overuse this kind of equipment. Gamitin mo lang siya sa heavy sets or if you wanna do max effort and if you feel uneasy. Para na rin hindi tayo maging dependent dito all the time. And might as well para ma-develop pa rin yung wrist and forearm strength natin.